Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumantech Solutions. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is identify operators in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python identity operators. So the Python identity operators are used to identify the objects. So there are two types of identity operators, that are is and is not. So the meaning of is and is not operator is that in is operator the value will return true if the values are same. So in is not operator return the value true, that is return true if values are not same. So these are the two types of operators that are identity operator. So now we'll discuss about the example of the both. So first of all we are discussing about the is operator, that is returns the value true if the values are same. So first of all I am taking the first value, that is, suppose this is my first value, that is ABC, comma my second value is DEF. So I'll put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is X. And now I am taking the second value, that is also same ABC and DEF. So now I am putting this into a variable. My variable name is Y. So now I am taking the X variable, putting the value of the X variable, which is this, into a variable name, that is Z. So I have taken here three variables, that is X, Y and Z. So now we will use the print function to display the output. So first of all, for an example, I am saying that if my value of X is the value of Z, then print the value, then the output is like if my Z and the X's value are same, like it is same, so the value of output will be, that is, true. This is the first option, and second one is I am asking that print if my value, that is X, is Y. So I am asking if my X's value is Y, so the memory locations are different, so this is not the same, so the answer is false. So the third one is I am asking, that is print if my X's value is equals to Y, then print the answer, that is the value of X and the Y is same, then the answer is true. So in this formation we can use the is identity operator in the Python. So now we'll discuss the is not operator. So the values are same, only the syntax is different. So first of all I am asking if my print function, that is if my X's value is not the value of Z, then print, that is, so the answer is that if the X's value is not Z, so it is true, the answer will be false here, because the answer is true, statement is true and the answer will be false. So now the second one is print that if my X's value is not the value of Y, so this is false because the memory locations are different, so the answer is, that is true, because we are asking is not. So the third one is print I am asking if my X's value is not equal to Y, so the answer is my X's value is not equal to Y according to the memory locations, so the answer is, that is true. So this is how we can use the is not identity operator in the Python programming language.
So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is identity operator. So first of all, we'll discuss about that is identity operator, in which we will take a variable. Suppose my first variable name is x and whose value is that is apple, and the second value is banana. For an example, so in the next line I am taking the value of y, that is apple and banana, and now I am taking the another variable, that is z. So now I'll print the function, that is if my x's value is z, that is operator, so it is true as the x's value and the z value is same because of the same location. So the answer is true for this equation. So next example is that is print the function, that is if my x's value is y, then the answer is false because the x's value and the y's value location is different, as the words are same, the values are same, but the location is different, so the answer is false. So now the another example is like print function. I am asking if my x's value is equals to the value of y, then show the answer, that is true. So we are discussing about the only the values of x's and y's, so that is equal to. So the value of x, that is apple and banana, and the value of y is apple and banana, so these are the same values, so the answer turns to us, that is true. So in this way we can use the is identity operator in the Python programming language. So the second one is that is not operator, in which I am taking the first variable, that is x, and the values are apple and banana. The second variable is y, whose values are the same, that is apple and banana. So I'll print the function, that is if the value of that is x is not equal to y, then print that is true, that x's value is not equal to y, that is true because the memory locations are different. So the answer is true, that is not same. So the next is I am taking the another variable, that is z is equals to x. So I am putting the x location into z. So now I'll use my print function, that is I am going to print, that is if the value of x is not z, then print that is false, that my x's value is not z because it is same and the memory location is same, so it is asking that is not, so the answer is false because the statement is true. So the next example is print, that is my x's value not is equals to, that is y. So the answer is, so you can see the syntax error, that is x's value is not equal to y, that is the answer is false. So to demonstrate the difference between is and is not is this operator, that is comparison returns to the false because x is equals to y. So in this way we can use is and is not identity operator in the Python programming language. So this is the is operator and this one is the is not operator.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.